Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you the difference between rank and dense rank, which is quite useful function in SQL Server. Okay, so in this case I have one table called product inventory fact, in which there are three columns called product ID, quantity, and snapshot date. So basically there are dates given and number of products are given and their quantities are given. So my objective is to find the last two snapshot from this inventory, only last two snapshot. So if you know the solution, please post your solution in the comment box. Otherwise please continue the video. Yeah, so first I will do, I will give you one rank and I will keep this rank condition, or you can say filter, less than or equal to 2. Okay, so let us start. So I will start a select star from subquery. Okay, in subquery I will put select star comma, then rank, then over. Now this is a window function, so I need only snapshot order date. Okay, so I will not give a partition. I'll simply write snapshot underscore date order by. Okay, here I need to give order by snapshot date, order by snapshot date. Okay, done. Now I will give the name of this column called rank, from which table, product underscore inventory fact close, and give some alias. Okay, now I will try to check what is the output. Now you can see the rank has been given like 1 1 1 1 1 3 3 5 5 5 8 8 8. Okay, I want in descending order. Okay, so I will put here descending condition. So I want a last two digit, right? Last two snapshot. So let me just again execute. Okay, done. So here you can see the snapshot date is 4 4 4 4 and 3 3. Okay, and here the rank is 1 1 1 1 and 5. Why? Because the rank function order by the number of rows. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here rank function has given one rank to each and every date, because the date is only 4. Okay, and next 5, but I want a rank 1 1 1 1 then 2. Okay, so what I will do, I will add one more column called sorry one more column, dense rank over order by snapshot date descending dense rank. Okay, now I will check what is the status. Now you can see here in dense rank column, once it 1 rank is completed, it will start from 2 3 4 5. So likewise this is the most industry standard condition which is used. Now my condition is I only want a rank last two snapshot, means rank 1 and rank 2. Okay, so here I will put a filter where d r and is less than or equal to 2. Then in a last put here go. Okay, so drk. Okay, drk, I have wrongly put this alias. Okay, so great. So here we can see like dense rank 2. So I have taken the last snapshot of last two sample snapshot, means date 1 and date 2, on 20 on third and fourth date. what is uh, which are the products and how much quantity it has been recorded. So this is the difference between rank and dense rank. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.